Good morning, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the topic current asset. What is the current asset? As its name suggests, current means recent, means that things are happening recently is known as current. And as far as asset concerned, asset is the thing that can help to generate the revenue for the business. Now we should break up these things in very simple language. Current asset, we can say that the uh, asset which is related to the recent period or that have to pay within one year is known as current asset. Now let's take an example of current asset. The most important example of current asset is sundry debtor. We can say that whenever we are sell any goods to our debtor, we should receive this payment within the 90 to 120 day, max to max within the 6 months. That is the example of current asset. Second example is that stock. For example, if you are manufacturing any product and we have the stock, and this that stock we have to sell within a one period. It's not thing that we have manufacturing, we have create the stock for a 1 year, and after that we are selling this stock to the second year. No, we are sell this stock within a 1 year. That is the example of current asset. A third example is the prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses is also the part of the current asset. For example, if you are taken a office for the rent and you had paid this uh, means 1 year's amount advance, and that is also the part of the current asset, because you should pay the amount but you should not get the avail benefit yet. That is also the part of the current asset. Okay, now we should discuss all the important concept of current asset. Thank you very much, friend.